ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक द्वितीय अध्याय मंत्र नंबर 20 पेज नंबर 472। टीका स यथा इत्यादेः संगतिं वक्तुं वृत्तं संकीर्तयति। स यथा is the next mantra. So of that sangati should be given. Sangati with the previous mantra. What is the connection? Why this 20th mantra is following this mantra? So before that there is some discussion. Mantra is not coming right away. भाष्य वैष तदा अभूत इत्यस्य प्रश्नस्य प्रतिवचनम उक्तम। क्व एष तदा अभूत? क्व एष तदा अभूत means what is the meaning of this prashna? What is the swarupa of what? स्वरूप किसका? विज्ञानमय। विज्ञानमयस्य स्वरूपम किम? क्व एष तदा अभूत इत्यस्य प्रश्नस्य प्रतिवचनम मीन्स आंसर उक्तम। किम पुनर् आद्य प्रश्न निर्णयेन फलति त्वं पदार्थ शुद्धि इत्याह। आद्य प्रश्न निर्णयेन, from the conclusion of the first question, how tvam padartha shuddhi is arrived at. Tvam padartha shuddhi katham phalati. In this way you should in this way you have to put it. भाष्य अनेन च प्रश्न निर्णयेन विज्ञानमयस्य स्वभावतः विशुद्धिः असंसारित्वं च उक्तम्। By this, what is the phalam? Vijnanamaya is Vishuddha Asamsari. Means I, the one who throughout the day I feel I am doing this, I am going here, I am listening to this, I am disturbed, I am this, that, I am Vishuddha. I am Asamsari. This is what is communicated already. So for us, this is the message that I should carry. This was the answer to the first question. Swabhavatah, I am Vishuddha, Asamsari. This had come in 1410, I think, or 147. Swabhavatah Asamsari, Upaditah Samsari. There was a discussion on Hiranyagarbha, whether Hiranyagarbha is Samsari or Asamsari. So their similar answer was given. Same is for Jiva also. Then it was said, what is the difference if Hiranyagarbha is also Swabhavatah Asamsari? Jiva is also like Asmadadi, we are also Swabhavatah Asamsari. Then what is the difference between him and us?
Highest Chitta Shuddhi.
For the most part,
Prayah, he is Asamsari. Means he remembers all the time that I am Asamsari Sakshi. And we constantly forget that we are Asamsari. We think we are Sansari only. And after the fact, after probably that storm is gone, suddenly I am Asamsari. I am. Whatever Brahma I understand in this way. This is the Bheda. Why? Because he has done so much sadhana, so much upasana. टीका शुद्धि द्वारा ब्रह्मत्वं च तस्य उक्तम इत्याह. By the shuddhi, brahmatvam is indicated as asamsaritvam. Uttar granthasya tatparyam aha. Now the later part. What is the purpose of this? Kuta etad agat इत्यस्य प्रश्नस्य अपाकरणार्थ आरंभः. कुत एतद् आगात्, क्व एष तदा अभूत्, कुत एतद् आगात्. So this prashna, it's apakaran. Apakaran means to eliminate. Elimination can be in two ways. One is by answering the question. The question is eliminated. Or refuting the question itself. That this is wrong question. So Purva Paksha starts in that way, objecting the question itself. पूर्वेण उत्तरस्य गतार्थत्वं शङ्कते. पूर्वेण उत्तरस्य गतार्थत्वं, पूर्वेण प्रश्नेन उत्तरस्य प्रश्नस्य गतार्थत्वं means ज्ञातत्वं. So by the previous question, the later question is already answered. Purva Pakshi is saying. Why he is saying this? He says, see in Bhashya, ननु यस्मिन् ग्रामे नगरे वा यो भवति सो अन्यत्र गच्छन्स् ततएव ग्रामात् नगरात् वा गच्छति न अन्यतः. यस्मिन् ग्रामे नगरे वा यो भवति. देवदत्त, let us say he is in Kashi. Yasmin grame nagare va yo bhavati. So if he goes somewhere else, he comes to Rishikesh. So anyatra gachans. So from where he has come? He has come from Kashi. Where he was, from there he comes. Tatayeva gramat nagarat va gacchati. Kashi nagarat gacchati. Na anyataha. So where he was, from there he comes. So if your first question was, Kva esha tada abhut. And then Kuta agat, etad agat. So where did he come from? From where he was, he came. What is the question? There is no need of this question. Tika. Sthiti avadhehe eva nirdharitत्वात् agati avadhehe nirdharayishaya prashne prativachanam savakasham iti ashankya. स्थिति अवधेः एव निर्धारितत्वात्. स्थिति अवधि was निर्धारित. निर्धारितत्वात् agati. स्थिति means where he is staying. Agati means from where he comes. Agati avadheः निर्दिधारयिषया. निर्दिधारयिषया means निर्धारयितुम इच्छा. तया निर्दिधारयिषया. Avadhi means Simakaranam. Sthiti avadhi. So that limit is done. That where he is in this place. Nirdidharayishaya prashne prativachanam savakasham. So in this prashna, prativachanam could be savakasham. Purva Pakshi saying, Siddhanti is saying to Purva Pakshi. Siddhanti is saying that sthiti avadhi is done. Gati avadhi nirdharanam is not done. Therefore, this is savakasham. Purva Paksha says, तथा सति क्व एष तदा अभूत् इति एतावान एव अस्तु प्रश्नः. Only this should be the question. क्व एष तदा अभूत् एतावान एव अस्तु प्रश्नः. यत्र अभूत् तत एव आगमनं प्रसिद्धं स्यात्. Where he was, from there he has come. यत्र अभूत् तत एव आगमनं प्रसिद्धं. Where he was in Kashi, from there आगमनं is there. न अन्यतः इति कुत एतद् आगात् इति प्रश्नो निरर्थक एव. Therefore this प्रश्न is निरर्थक. पूर्व पक्षी is telling सिद्धांत. टीका. अपौरुषेयी श्रुतिः अशेष दोष शून्यत्वात् अनतिशंकनीय. अनतिशंकनीया इति सिद्धांति गूढ़ाभिसंधिराह अपौरुषेयी श्रुति. These things we should keep in mind. Shruti is apaurushei. Apaurushei Shruti hi ashesha dosha shunya. There is no dosha in Shruti. And in the acharyas, in particular in Bhashyakara and all, they are also apaurushaya pramana. Ashesha dosha shunya. Somebody was telling me there is some Mahatma, he is writing lot of commentaries on Upanishads, these, that. And then he said, so I felt like it will be nice to read. Then he said he does Khandanam of Bhashyakara. I said, forget it. Means, what is the purpose of writing commentary on Upanishads? And if you are doing Khandana of Acharya, they have different Siddhanta. Apaurushei Shrutihi Ashesha Dosha Shunyatvat Anatishankaniya. There should not be any Shanka in that. Iti Siddhanti Gudhabi Sandhihi. Now Siddhanti has some other objective. So Siddhanti, keeping that objective in mind, he is asking some different question to Purvapaksha. What is he asking? See, Kim Shruti hi upalabhyate bhavata? Are you objecting the Shruti? Siddhanti is asking. Shruti hi upalambanam means to do akshepa. See in Bhashya. Na Shruti hi akshipyate nirdoshatvat iti purvavadi aha. Purvapakshi says no, Shruti cannot be akshipta. Purvapakshi here also knows, even if he is a Mimansaka, he will not object to Veda Vakya. Na Shruti hi akshipyate nirdoshatvat iti purvavadi aha na. Kim tarhi Siddhanta is asking, then what? Sitika. Shrutehe anakshepatve tvadiyam chodyam niravakasham ityah. If Shruti cannot have akshepa, and you are saying this prashna is nirarthaka, but it is there in the mantra, so then your akshepa is not standing any ground, it is niravakasham. Tvadiyam chodyam niravakasham ityaha. Kintarhi, Siddhanti says, then what? If you are saying that Shruti cannot have dosha because it is apaurushai, and you are raising dosha also. So see what he says. Dvitiyasya prashnasya arthantaram shrotum ichhami. Ataha anarthakyam chodayami. This second question, some prashnasya arthantaram. There is some other meaning of this question. This I want to know from you. Shrotum ichhami. And that's why how I am proposing Ataha anarthakyam chodayami. Means this second question is anarthaka. If you take it literally, means there should be some implied meaning to second question. Because literally that second question should have been answered. This is what he says. Tasya savakashatvam purvavadi sadhayati. Purvavadi said there is savakashatvam. Purvavadini आपादनात् अर्थांतरे अपादनात् पूर्ववादिनी अपादनात् अर्थांतरे पंचम्याः शुश्रूषमाणे सति एकदेशी ब्रवीति. Now some ekadashi has come. He says this Shruti is apadana artha. Apadane panchami. So this uta etad agat, this panchami artha is apadana artha. एवं तर्हि कुत इति अपादानार्थता न गृह्यते. Correction. Why don't you take kutah as apadana artha? कथम अन्यार्थत्वं तदाह। भाष्य अपादानार्थत्वे ही पुनरुक्तता न अन्यार्थत्वे. If apadana artha is taken, then there is punarukti because the same thing it is saying from there he came. Padana panchami means from where in this context. So there is punarukti. अस्तु तर्हि निमित्तार्थः प्रश्नः कुत एतद् आगादिति किं निमित्तम् इह आगमनम् इति. So Purvapakshi suggesting, okay, let's make it nimitta artha. Astu tarhi nimittartha prashna. What is the nimitta because of which he has come here? Kuta etat agad iti kim nimittam iha agavana. For what this Vijnanamaya has come back? टीका तर्हि तस्याम अपादानार्थत्वेन पुनरुक्तत्व अवस्थायाम. Tarhi means because of this apadana panchami is referring to punarukti. Therefore, let us change it to nimitta artha. Ekadeshinam Purvavadi Dushayati. Dialogue is between who and who? Ekadeshi and Purvapaksha. So Purvavadi is now refuting Ekadeshi. Na nimittarthata api prativachana vairupyat. Nimittarthata is not appropriate because it is not according to the answer. Prativachana means answer. It is not in accordance with the answer. So answer suggests that it is not nimittarthata. आत्मनस्य सर्वस्य जगतो अग्निविस्फुलिंगादिवत् उत्पत्ति ही प्रतिवचने श्रूयते. नहि विस्फुलिंगानां विद्रवणे अग्निर्निमित्तम अपादानम एव तुसः. The later part in the answer, how it is explained, from Atma the Jagat appears as from Agni the Visfulingas, the sparks are there. Agni Visfulingadivat Utpattihi Prativachane Shruyate. In the answer, this is recognized. And in the Visfulinga, Agni is not Nimitta Karanam, but Agni is Apadanam, means Upadana Karanam. Nahi Visfulinganam Vidravane. Vidravanam means Utpatti. 4 number tippani. Udgamane. One number tippani was Brahmani sthitasya sukharupe dukha bhuvishte sharire. Brahmani sthitasya sukharupe. Why he came back? He was in Brahma, which is sukharupa, and the sharira is dukha bhuvishta. There are so many problems in this sharira. Why there was a need to come back? Kuta aga, etat agat. So that nimitta was reasoning. So apadana ka the literal meaning of apadana is from. So from where ghata has come? Upadana ka. तथा परमात्मा विज्ञानमयस्य आत्मनो अपादानत्वेन श्रूयते अस्मात् आत्मनः इति एतस्मिन् वाक्ये। तथा परमात्मा विज्ञानमयस्य आत्मनः अपादानत्वेन श्रूयते। परमात्मा इज दी कारणम, उपादान कारणम, फ्रॉम वेयर जीवात्मा हैज कम, वेयर इज इज हर्ड, अस्माद् आत्मनः, तस्माद् वा एतस्माद् आत्मनः, दैट इज ओनली दैट मच पोर्शन, अस्माद् आत्मनः इति एतस्मिन् वाक्ये। इन टीका अपादानार्थतावत् इति अपेः अर्थः। अपि is there, निमित्तार्थता अपि in the second line, न निमित्तार्थता अपि। अपि means neither apadana nor nimitta। तदेव स्फुटयति वीसा। जगतः सर्वस्य चेतनस्य अचेतनस्य च इति वक्तुं च शब्दः। Of the entire jagat, Chetana and Achetana, everything has appeared from Paramatma. Tasmat प्रतिवचन वैलोम्यात् कुत इति प्रश्नस्य निमित्तार्थता न शक्यते वर्णयितुम्। Therefore, प्रतिवचन means उत्तर. उत्तर is vailomya, means pratilomya. It is of different kind, and therefore Prashna is not referring to nimittarthata. Utah is not for nimitta. Nimittarthe panchami is not there. Na shakyate varnaitum. Vailomya shabda, like anuloma viloma, you heard, right? In that viloma, shay pratyaya has come. So vailomya. भाव में भाव वैलोम्य, तस्माद् वैलोम्यात्। टीका तर्हि भवतु अपादानार्था पंचमी इति आशंक्य पूर्ववादी पूर्वोक्तम स्मारयति। Then Ekadashi said, okay, then let it be apadanartha. Nimitta, I suggested, you refuted, so let it be for apadanartha. Purvapakshi is reminding him पूर्वोक्तम, what he said earlier. ननु अपादान पक्षे अपि पुनरुक्तता दोषः स्थित एव. There also, what dosha we said, it is still there. Tika. Sarva, now you see the Siddhanta topic is beginning. See, beautiful. Sarva avidya tajja nirmuktam pratyagadvayam brahma prashnadvaya vyajena pratipipadayishitam इति न पुनरुक्ति इति सिद्धांति स्वाभिसंधिम उद्घाटयति. I told you Siddhanti has some different thing that he wants to communicate. Swabhisandhi means some gudha abhipraya is there. This is called Swabhisandhi. So he initiates the question, and then objective of that question is not to start question, because Siddhanti wants to communicate what? Sarva avidya tajya nirmuktam pratyag advayam brahma. Pratyag brahma, which is different from all avidya karya. Tajya nirmuktam pratyag advayam brahma prashnadvaya vyajena. By these two questions. Who raised the questions? Ajatashatru. Means Ajatashatru wants to communicate this to Gargya. Prashnadvaya vyajena pratipipadayishitam. This is being revealed. Pratipadanam is done. Pratipadaitum ishtam. Iti na punarukti. Therefore, there is no punarukti. In the first question and second question, there is no punarukti. इति सिद्धांति स्वाभिसंधिम उद्घाटयति नैष दोषः. Siddhanti says there is no dosha here. Why? प्रश्नाभ्याम आत्मनि क्रियाकारक फलात्मता अपोहस्य विवक्षितत्वात्. By these two questions, in Atma, Kriyakaraka Phalatmata is not there. Kriyakaraka Phalatmata Apohasya. Apohanam means to remove. To remove, to eliminate, to hide. Matta Smritir Jnanam. Apohanam cha. So there Apohanam means elimination or hiding. So in Atma, there is no Kriyakaraka Phala. This constantly has been said. Somebody may say, I am listening to this so many times. Nothing is happening. You have said, I am Asamsari, Brahma, etc. And I am listening in, so Shravanam can be there. But my Mananam, Nididhyasanam should be on this Vishaya. If my Mananam, Nididhyasanam is on something else, this samskara doesn't become my understanding. Not that you need samskaras. In Naishkarma Siddhi we have already seen, and we will see it today also. Vedanta is not saying that unless you have that much samskara, ahani, draghi asa kalena, aham brahmasmi, then you will become Brahma. That is not Vedanta. What Vedanta wants to say is, if you have pratibandha, you will have to work in all other directions. If pratibandha is not there, Shravanam will produce jnana. If pratibandha is there, then you do other things. But that is not Vedanta Siddhanta. So if I have pratibandha, what is the pratibandha? I had not done upasana before coming to Vedanta. Then what should I do now? Do more nididhyasanam. What is nididhyasanam? This chintanam that whatever Shastra has explained, that lakshyartha is me in this way. Not just repeating, not prasankhyanam. Prashnadvaya vyajena यथोक्तम वस्तु प्रश्नाभ्याम विवक्षितम इति कुतो ज्ञातम इति आशंक्य तद वक्तुम तार्तीयम अर्थम अनुवदति. How somebody says, how do you think that Shruti has this as vivaksha, that in Atma there is no kriya karaka phala? How did you understand? I also listened to the same thing what you have been listening. I didn't get this message. How did you get this message? So he says, Yathoktam vastu prashnabhyam vivakshitam. By this prashna, that this is what is the vivaksha. Iti kuto jnatam, how did you get it? He says from the previous chapter. Tad vaktum tartiyam artham. Tritiyasya ayam tartiyam. Tritiya adhyaya of the Brahadaranyaka from the Veda Krama. So what is the third chapter? According to Upanishad, it will be first chapter. See 10 number Tippani, Upanishadi Pratham Adhyaya Gatam. In Upanishad, first chapter, and in Veda Krama, third chapter. Tartiyam, that's why it is given. Iha hi Vidya avidya vishayau upanyastau. Now I have enough emphasized Vidya Sutra and Avidya Sutra. So because every now and then in Bhashya this topic will come. There Vidya Sutra, Avidya Sutra is discussed. If you missed it, what is Vidya and Avidya, then throughout Upanishad, because all references will go there. Ihahi, in this chapter itself, Vidya avidya vishayau upanyastau. Purvapakshi saying, First chapter. Huh? Which tippani? Atikranta Adhyay. Atikranta means that we have already crossed. Seventh tippani says Atikranta. Atikranta means you have crossed already. What have we crossed? First chapter. विद्या विषय निर्णयस्य कर्तव्यत्वम् अत्र न प्रतिभाति इति आशंक्या. But here vidya vishay nirnaya kartavya, where it is given. First we have to see Bhashya. This is beautiful how Bhagwan Bhashyakar thinks. We have to learn how great acharyas think. Everybody sees the same thing and Nigamanam is different. Why? Because that is why they are great and we are ordinary people. Atmetyevopasita atmanam eva avet atmanam eva lokam upasita iti vidya vishayaha. So 3 quotations are there, 3 tippanis are also there. 147, 1410, 1415. Atmetyevopasita, what is this? Vidya Sutra. Atmanam eva avet aham brahmasmi iti. And Atmanam eva lokam upasita iti vidya vishaya. This is vidya vishaya. Tatha avidya vishayascha. Avidya vishaya is, what is the avidya vishaya vakya? Anyo asa vanyo aham asmi iti na saveda yatha pashureva devanam. This is avidya vishaya vakya. The one who says anyo asav anyo aham, that Paramatma is different from me, this vakya is avidya vishaya. The one who is there, then for that person panktam karma tat phalam cha annatrayam nama rupa karmatmakam, all this was elaborated. Pankta karma, karma phalam, saptanna brahmana, in that annatrayam, vang mana prana, then nama rupa karma, idam trayam, all of that was explained. Iti. Tatra avidya vishaye vaktavyam sarvam uktam. Whatever was supposed to be said for avidya vishaya has been already said. Vidya vishayastu atma keval upanyasto na nirnitah. Vidya vishaya atma was only presented but not concluded. Nirnaya was not done. So then Purvapakshi is asking in Tika, see, on previous page. Vidya Vishay Nirnayasya Kartavyatvam Atra na Pratibhati. It doesn't look like by this question that they are doing Vidya Vishay Nirnaya. It doesn't look like that. Na Pratibhati. Iti ashankyaha. On previous page, 6 number tippani. That Atma is Kriya Karaka Phala Atmata Apoha. Apohasya Vivakshitam Vivakshitatvam. See the tippani. Ajnana Tatkarya Vinirmuktaha Shuddhastvam Arthaha Prathama Prashnena Vivakshitaha. What is the first question? Ajnana Tatkarya Vinirmuktaha Shuddhastvam Arthaha. This we saw, this is Swabhava or Swarupa of Tvam Artha. This is Prathama Prashna. Dvitiya Prashna, Avyavrittan Anugatam. This word is familiar?
Yes, Swami.
I explained this word so many times when we were doing Anubhuti Prakasha. Avyavritta Ananugatam. See, again I will explain, but remember now. Normally we say, in Vyavritta, something is Anugata. Vyavritta Swanu Vartamanam. Vyavritta will be Jagrat Swapna Shushupti Avastha. And in them, Anugata is Atma. So, common way of expressing is In Vyavritta Avastha, Anugata is Atma. Or in Vyavritta Anatma Padartha, Anugata is Sat. Sat is Anugata in all. This is common. This much we understand.
Yes, Swamiji.
But here, how it is given, Avyavritta Ananugata. Anugata is Jati. And Vyavritta will be Vyakti. Like Ghata. In all of them, what is Anugata? Ghatatvam. Ghatatva is Anugata. And Ghata A is different from Ghata B, is different from Ghata C. So Ghata is Vyavritta. Vyakti is Vyavritta. Jati is Anugata. Brahma is neither Jati nor Vyakti. So how will you say? Avyavritta Ananugata. That is this Vakya. Do you remember this now? It's such a beautiful phrase coined out of thinking. Means this is our Lakshana. I am Avyavritta Ananugata. Whole day you can think in this way. Instead of thinking I am so and so and I went here, I did this, nobody recognizes me, this, that. That same story, how long we are going to hear? Anugata. This is different way of presenting, using Jati Vyakti. Means such phrases, when they are there, we should know what they are referring to. Now, so that is also true, what you are saying, but we can refute that also. If you say the Vyakti, means Ghata, Pata, Vriksha, Purusha, if they are Satyam, Samana Satta is Sat, then you can say in all of them it is Anugata, right? They are not there only. According to Vedanta, they are all Mithya. So they are not in Samana Satta. So therefore, you cannot say it is Anugata in all these which are Vyavritta, because they have no reality same as the Atma. So as long as I give Samana Satta, I can use that explanation. Ghata and Sat both have Samana Satta. If you think, then Sat is there in Ghata, Sat is there in Pata, Sat is there. But Nasato Vidyate Bhava, in that Bhashya, he has refuted all this. Ajati Vyakti Purna Pratyang Matra Eka Yathatmyam Brahma Vivakshitam Dvitiya Prashtena. So by first question, Tvamartha. By second question, Tadartha. Avyavritta Ananugatam Purna Pratyang Matra Eka Yathatmyam. That Pratyagatma is actually Purna. Means all Paricheda Shunya. This is Dvitiya Prashnena Vivakshitam. In this way, Prashnabhyam. So tan nirnayaya cha brahmate bravani iti prakrantam jnapayishyamiti cha. And for that nirnaya alone, this whole dialogue came. Gargya said, brahmate bravani. He went on saying, Ajatashatru said, no, this is not enough to know Brahma. This is not enough. Then finally, when he does upasati, then Ajatashatru said, Jnapayishyami. I will teach you. Atastad Brahma Vidya Vishaya Bhutam Jnapayitavyam Yathatmyataha. Therefore, that Brahma Vidya Vishaya Bhutam Yathatmyataha Jnapayitavyam. It should be communicated as is. Yatha Bhavati Tatha. Here also there is in Yathatmya Shay Pratyay there. Yathatma. Atmanam Anatikramya will become Yathatma. And then Shay Pratyay there. There is some other prakriya also, but Tasya cha Yathatmyam Kriyakaraka Phala Bheda Shunyam Atyanta Vishuddham Advaitam iti etad vivakshitam. What is the याथात्म्य of that Atma? क्रियाकारक फल भेद शून्यम अत्यंत विशुद्धम अद्वैतम. ठीक है. अन्यथा प्रक्रम भंग स्यात् इति भाव. किम तद याथात्म्यम? याथात्म्य is said. अतस तद अनुरूपौ प्रश्न उत्थाप्येते श्रुत्या क्व एष तदा अभूत कुत एतद आगादिति. In this way, therefore, these two questions have been raised by Shruti. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.